Old man here, and we have a last minute, spur of the moment tree that we need to take down in my yard. That story is coming right up. There are two things about this tree, actually three things about this tree that I hate and like. Number one, I hate that this tree is a sweet gum tree. Number two, I like that this sweet gum tree is dead. And number three, I like that I'm going to be taking it down right now. This tree is in trouble. The limbs up top are just snapped off. You can see the sweet gum balls hanging from it. Limbs all the way down are just snapped off and broken. The tree just looks awful. And this is part of a larger multi-year project that's going on to clear all of this centerpiece out here of the trees so we can get a nice yard and maybe a pool. It's all of, I'm gonna say 100 feet, 90 feet in that range, probably 100 at least. And I'm gonna try to aim right down there. It's leaning a little bit that way too. We've got some wind here today on this fine Saturday, but I should be able to get it to land right over there. I don't foresee too much of a problem with that. I re-estimated the height of the tree. It's more like 80 feet. So I'm doing 20, 40, 60, 80. I don't think I'm going to need any spikes, but you never know. I like that. That's beautiful right there. That was nice. Exactly where I was aiming. Let's look at the anatomy of a tree cut. My wedge cut here is excellent. I came in probably just about 50%, maybe 40% to the hinge. And then my back cut went straight in. I got a lot of fibers left here, a little narrow here, but not bad. And the tree fell exactly where it was supposed to go. Bam. Yeah, we're about 80 feet, maybe close to 90 feet. So got her down. Now to limb this out, buck it up, and then this tree is actually going to go to the side of the road up there because they'll pick that up, or at least they should. That, ladies and gentlemen, is all she wrote. Look at all the pieces cut up here. We're not going to put them over there because we have so much wood in the two wood bins that we're going to put these at the side of the road. Let the city pick them up. You can see like 6 piles there. Anywho, we are going to close this one out. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.